April 22nd, 2020, Gwinnett County, drive-through COVID-19 testing facility. Hello, my name is Aaron Shoemaker with All Hands On. We have a special announcement for you. Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Gwinnett, Newton, Rockdale County Department of Community Health has a special COVID-19 testing site set up at the Infinite Energy Arena in Gwinnett County. This testing site is set up for one day only. You can't just show up to the testing site. You have to make an appointment first by calling the number below. There are two requirements to be tested. The first is that you call and set up an appointment. The second is that you must have your own transportation. Walk-in appointments will not be accepted. You get to stay in your vehicle for the entire testing procedure. Bring your appointment and your ID, and you'll be directed by site personnel where to go. When it's time, roll down your window and a medical professional will perform the test. And then you're able to leave. You receive your results in 2 to 3 days. The Department of Community Health will call you to give you your results. If your results are positive, that means that you have the coronavirus, and you'll be given instructions what to do and how to care for yourself, and whether or not you need to go to the hospital. If your test is negative, it means you do not have the coronavirus, and you will be given additional steps on your treatment and care. If you're feeling sick, if you exhibit the symptoms of COVID-19, a high temperature, a dry cough, and difficulty breathing, and you're worried that you may have the coronavirus, call and set up your appointment to be tested today. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like and a share to help inform others.